Hi students and families, here is a video showing you how to send me a message in Canvas. So I'm here on my dashboard and there's my little Bitmoji for the math class. You would also have a class for Miss Arnold and Miss Bates on your dashboard once you get those all set up and specials and all of that fun stuff. So also if you notice over here you've got access to your account, your other courses, and down here you have an inbox. So I'm going to click on the inbox. And if I want to send a new message, I'm going to go to the top middle where the pencil is, and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select the course that I want. So if you're going to message me, you would pick the math course. And then if you click on the little address book over here, you have an option to click on the teachers. So you're going to click on teacher, and then choose my name, and then you can send me whatever question you have. So you could say, I need help. And then you tell me what you are needing help with. So, hi, Mrs. Diavanzo. I don't know how to do number 3 in the practice. Thank you. Your student. Okay, and then you would send that to me. And then I will get that message in my inbox and I'll be able to reply to you. So that's a good way for you to be able to reach out and ask for help without having to go through Mom or Dad's ClassDojo app. Okay? So that is how you can message me in Canvas. Thank you.